8, Ant. Monikered one-off Ant on this show because he's always off by one. He locked down the top and the bottom. Top and the bottom. He got Bird earlier. He got Bird a couple times earlier in the show. And now he's getting some Magic and Bird. Magic and Bird. And Bird. And the Doctor. It's coming at you right now. I'm looking at the back. Back looks pretty good. It does. And my back, actually, if anybody was asking, was hurting a little bit this morning. I'm all knotted up over here. Everybody wants this card. Everybody at JRI that is in our breaks wants this card. We pulled it before, and we're about to pull it again. Spot 8. Anthony Otto Pre-Corrado, I present to you with 100% certainty. Oh, yeah! Oh, Ant! Bird-Erving and Magic Johnson. All right, let's examine the card. A little bit of light wax that comes off. I see a little chip there, and maybe a little, possibly dirty wax or stain there. Bird-Erving and Magic. Spacing is phenomenal, Kyle. It's correct. Oh, there it is. What a fantastic card.